If you've seen my father, you've probably seen a sexy pair of sunglasses like this. I know you want them because you love them so much. So it's almost as if, this is the example we use, I was born into this world wearing this pair of sunglasses. I was born wearing this pair of sunglasses. I've been wearing them my whole life long. I don't even know they exist. Now, if that were the case, I'm not trying to make it any more painful on the women. I've had kids, not trying to make it more painful. I'm just saying if I was born into this world wearing these sunglasses, what color would I say David's shirt is? David, yeah? What color would I say David's shirt is? Green, yes. And I would say it was green. Let's say Bob is a mentor, incredible friend of mine. Oh my gosh, I could recognize people after people in this room. So he could come up to me. He's wise. He has lots of wisdom. And in all of his wisdom, wanting to help me, wanting to teach me, he could say something like, you know, Crystal, I've been mentoring you for a long time, and David's shirt is white. What would I say? You're a fool. Any person can see that his shirt is green, right? And I trust him. Now, he could get really excited, really motivated. Anybody in your life tried to motivate you into seeing things different? It's happened to anybody? He could go, Crystal, it's white. And I would think it was green. In fact, he could be persistent. How many of you in this room know Bob is persistent? Whoa, Bob is persistent. He could call me every day for a year. Crystal, you know that shirt? Yep, I know the shirt. David's shirt? Well, it was white, 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 white. Boom, hang up on me. Am I going to see that shirt as white? No. It's hopeless. Even if I want to see it as white, I can't. I can only see it as green. Unless I go about discovering that there is such a thing as sunglasses. Most of the time, people don't even know they exist, don't even want to acknowledge that it is part of the equation. If I first acknowledge that there is such a thing called sunglasses, I go on a hunt, I go on discovery, and I bump into this pair and I take them off. Boom. In a second, I can have a revelation. I can see white where I could never see white before. You want multiplication in your life. How many of you are in for multiplication this week? The way to do that is to have a revelation, to be able to see something that you were never able to see before. Have a renewing of your mind. So we're going to have a little fun with that today. Are you guys open to having some fun?